Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can get 300 dpi resolution image on Canva on Tshirt Design. So guys, I want to choose this size custom for t-shirt, and after that guys, this is design I want to upload for 300 dpi resolution. Just click share guys here and download this shirt and click just here guys PDF print, and just one color, choose the RGB for best digital, click download. After that guys, go to this website, cloud convert, and select the file, and this is file guys, and to convert for here image JPG, and click this icon guys to custom the pixel density, and to control choose 300 dpi and just click OK, and you can convert here easily guys, and just wait for uploading and processing. This is how you can do guys to get 300 dpi resolution. I hope this video helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe for more content.